All right, quick introduction. Today's a big day. We're planning to move the plane, so really excited about that. Got a lot of stuff to get ready, and yeah, let's get to it. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. James, another service driver, helping us out. We got the majority of the lifting done. Got this wheeled in. Securing the wings on the rack. Gotta make room for the tail feathers. And the last big one is the bench. The garage is empty. One trailer full. One real pickup truck full. One fake pickup truck full. And one crossover full. We are off to the airport. Hope it goes well. Alright, well this should be interesting. All right, there we take a look. So, short story is that this truck, when you hit 50 miles an hour, started shaking like an earthquake. So, unfortunately, it only did 50 miles an hour. So it was either go less than that or pedal to the metal and hope for some downhill or tailwind. But no. Huh?
Look at that.
Looks good. Look, my hardware survived. Sandwiched perfectly. I did hear a big clunk.
You did?
Yeah, somewhere along the way. Almost sounded like something falling, but
I don't see anything.
you know, it's like when you fly over water and all of a sudden you hear all these extra engine noises and vibrations. It may have been that phenomenon.
In the plane when you drop your phone in flying. It's like, what the heck happened?
Oh, you can take it. All right. All right, no promises, but we may attempt to put the wings on since we have some manpower here. Well, we had two options. Either they were gonna go on easy or they weren't going on today. We picked option number 1. So, thank you guys. This is unbelievable. This is sensory overload right now, looking like a real plane. So, just a few little tidbits to finish up, like the windshield, the skylight, and we'll go flying. Excitement. All right. That was the motivation for the help this morning. My beloved garage looks like a bit of a war zone. The dog just realized I'm talking to myself again. But here's a quick recap of what went on today. Yes, it's me in the camera. You jealous? Anyway, yeah, a little bit surreal. We started around 8:30 this morning, 9 o'clock, everybody came over. We had stuff in the basement, wings. I mean, going back 3-4 years now that we've been working on that. Full throttle on the fuselage, and inside the garage here, all the little detail stuff that must have dropped some crumbs back there, huh? So loaded the truck up. The scary thing with the truck was we had tons and tons of tie downs, like this whole basket is full, but somehow you still don't have enough because you're double checking, cross checking, tying up, down, left, right, and so on and so forth. But got everything up. My heavy bench that was over here, most of the tools, everything you needed help with, and then we kind of pushed the envelope and like, hey, if I measured the wings correctly, they're gonna go on easy. And we're like, all right, if they go on easy, we're doing it. If not, project for another day. Don't want to rush it at this point. And they bolted right up, so I was really happy about that. The truck had an issue with a tire or something, but pedal to the metal, that thing does about 50 miles an hour, less uphill. And at 50, it shakes, like, whoop, 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 starts to oscillate, the cab and the box, and I thought everything was getting rattled loose in the back. So I was a little bit worried about that, but I couldn't go much slower. We do live in Boston, we drive faster than 50. And we had about 25 miles on the highway to go, but we made it, and I haven't found anything that got damaged, so I'm really happy about that. Anyway, gonna end the video here, try and get it out. That was the exciting move into the hangar episode. And next step is to clean up the garage, organize the rest of the stuff to go to the hangar, whatever I can fit, more tools. It's gonna be one of these things, like tools will be here that I need up there. I'm gonna get as much as I can up there. And assembly and the skylight, windshield, those are like big things that'll probably take a little bit of time. We already put a call into the local DAR, and he's out of Plymouth, so hopefully he's not booked too far out, which is good. And George is working on the paperwork, all the registration. I applied for the N number about a year ago, last summer sometime. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this journey. We're not done yet. I'll still put some videos out, obviously. But it's been a big day. I'm excited. All right, thank you. See ya.